This example may be connected definitely with you people. Suppose I will give you a bucket. Listen carefully. I will give you one bucket. Pebbles, small pebbles. Pebbles means what? Pebbles means చిన్న గులకరాలు ఉంటాయి కదా. I gave, there are multiple pebbles and 2 or 3 big rocks. Array, can you please keep all these things inside this bucket like I asked? What one person did is, he kept all small stones at the beginning. And then he's trying to keep big rocks, but space is not enough. Space is not enough. Space is not enough. Okay. So even in the car also, first we are keeping small things and then we are trying to keep a bigger thing at last. Then spaces may not be enough. Okay, like. So what we require to do is, we have to keep big rocks at the beginning. Big rocks at the beginning. And then small pebbles later we can add. The small pebbles can adjust anywhere in between the bigger rocks also. If there is a small space there, automatically it's going to shoot. Then the buckets perfectly is going to fill with the big rocks and pebbles. Are you getting my point, right? Forget about the internal meaning. Are you in a position to visualize that?
Yes.
Yes, friends.
Yes. Sir.
Yeah. So here the point is, what this example is going to talk. Very simple, sir. Very simple. Now come to our original story. We are doing a number of activities. Small activities. Less priority activities. Next, high priority activities, bigger activities we are doing. Like in our life, morning to evening, Monday to Sunday, or throughout January to December, we are doing n number of activities, small activities, big activities, and so on. Most of the times, what we are always doing, we are always busy with the small low priority activities only. Bigger activities. In the life, bigger activities are there. Maybe related to your health, maybe related to your growth, maybe related to your career, bigger, your family related, bigger activities are there. We never give that much importance for those. We are always busy with the small activities only. Because of that, what will happen is, you are feeling tired, you are feeling frustrated. The bigger activities you are going to miss in your life, then obviously growth by default will become dull. Remember, growth by default is going to be dull. So instead of that, what you require to do is, first plan for high priority activities first. High priority activities was, this is my biggest priority thing. Plan for higher priority activities first. And then small things you can adjust anywhere. So in today, what is the biggest, highest priority activity? I require to do that. Plan, concentrate only first those small activities. Later, you require to think like this. If you can plan this over a period of 1 year, then obviously you never going to miss any important priority things in your life.